Introducing the Waldent TurboDrive Elite Brushless LED electric motor, engineered to deliver precision and efficiency for dental professionals. Now let's begin with the unboxing. The package consists of the main motor unit with all its essential accessories and connectors. Inside, you'll find one control unit with attached motor, a motor holder, an adapter, a connector, and a power cable. Each component is neatly arranged, reflecting both quality and attention to detail. Let's take a closer look at each item. We start with the user manual for quick guidance. Next is the control unit with motor attached, featuring 3 key points: the power button, the slot for the adapter connection, and the water inlet port for chair integration. On the front, we have the speed adjustment knob and a forward-reverse button offering effortless control. The motor itself is sleek and lightweight for easy handling. Here is the connector, especially useful when your dental chair does not support a 4-hole connection. 4-hole side connects seamlessly with the motor, while the 2-hole side attaches to the chair. In case the dental chair is with a 4-hole connection, the connector is not required, and the water tubing can be attached directly to the motor. Connection with the dental chair is a necessity for this motor to operate. Also included is the adapter and the sturdy motor holder. Now let's assemble the unit. First, the adapter is connected to the power cable. Then the 4-hole side of the connector is attached to the motor, and the 2-hole side is connected to the chair. The water inlet pipe is secured, and the power cord is plugged into its slot. At the front, the speed knob display corresponds to the rotation per minute into $1,000 for 1:5 and 1:1 handpiece. The speed settings are clearly indicated, from 1,000 to 4,000 RPM for the 1:1 handpiece, and from 5,000 up to 2 lakh RPM for 1:5 handpiece. The forward and reverse button enables both clockwise and counterclockwise rotations. When the button is pressed, it shows reverse or counterclockwise rotation, whereas when unpressed, the motion changes to forward or clockwise. Observe how smoothly the handpiece engages with the motor, ensuring a seamless connection without any hindrance. Here we demonstrate the 1:5 handpiece attached to the motor. FG burrs are used in this handpiece. The speed can be finely adjusted using the control knob. At minimum setting, the burr rotates at a smooth, controlled pace, while at maximum speed, it reaches its full potential for efficient cutting. Observe how seamlessly the handpiece performs during crown preparation, delivering precise results with effortless control. Now we move on to the 1:1 contra-angle handpiece. After attaching an RA burr, we can see it perform controlled cavity preparation with accuracy. The motor maintains excellent stability even at variable speeds, making it ideal for detailed restorative work. With versatility, advanced brushless technology, and LED illumination, the Waldent TurboDrive Elite Brushless LED electric motor is the perfect solution for crown preparation, cavity preparation, and a wide range of clinical applications. Engineered for precision, designed for comfort, experience dental excellence with Waldent. If you found the video useful, kindly like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.